In 2010, it was reported that over a quarter of college students did not register to vote
because they did not know where or how to, or they missed the deadline. Sadly, only 48% of the 18 to 24 population registered to vote.
Let's change these statistics. Get energized, get registered, get to the polls.
The voter registration deadline for Alabama is October 26th. All absentee ballots must be requested by November 1st, and the completed ballot must be postmarked by November 5th.
The absentee ballot request deadline for Texas is October 30th. The completed ballot must be returned by 7 p.m. on Election Day.
Georgia voters should request an absentee ballot as soon as possible and return them by 7 p.m. on November 6th.
There's a lot of misinformation spreading around the internet concerning voter registration and absentee ballot deadlines. Make sure you get your information from official sources such as your Secretary of State. Don't rely on whatever you hear.